Hello students, in this video we are going to solve spreadsheet part of the paper May-June year 2023 paper 3-1. So let's start without wasting time. Task 2 spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet to calculate and display weather data about 3 towns called Amartha, Binchen and Chelsea. First, open and examine the file weather.csv in your spreadsheet software. Save this as a spreadsheet with your name, with the file name weather underscore followed by your center number, candidate number. So we'll first open that file. .csv. Now file, save as. Weather underscore your center number underscore your candidate number, save. Now place in the footer left align an automated file name with no file path. Right align your name, center number and candidate number. So we'll add the footer. Just so we'll come down. File name without file path we have to insert. So file name and right align your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. So that's it. Normal. Okay. So task 1 done. Now come to the second. Format rows 1 to 7 of the spreadsheet looks like this. So 1 to 17 should be looks like this. Apply the formatting in rows 15 to 17 down to row 73. So we'll just take a copy paste so it is easy to see to format this. So this will be the merge. This data is bold. This is also italic and serif. Now this it will increase. Okay. Then this all will be border. Now this all will be merged. This little big. still increase the all are right aligned. Okay, this will change to border, all border. Yes, then fill with the gray color. Medium, italic. Now the size of this 14th will increase. This all we are having in the middle. Wrap round, wrap the data. Yes, then this date will be right aligned. And all are having the border. This all will be filled color. Now these three is merge. These three is merge. This three is merge. Then these three is merge. This all data is bold and this is right align, right. All are right align. Wind speed right align. Wind speed not. Yes, done. What it is saying, apply formatting. We have done. Cell 1 and 13 must be merged and center aligned 16-point font. So 1 and 13, this size should be 16. We have to use 16. Here also 1 and this one should be 16. And this should be filled with the gray color. Yes. The cell E6 must be merged, that shown that we have merged here. Yes. Print your spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the page orientation is landscape. The content of all cells are fully visible and can be easily read. Row and column headings are displayed. So we'll go to print, page setup, then landscape, sheet, row and column heading should be split. Okay, so these are the 3 pages. Everything is clear. Yes, we'll give the print. So we have done third also. second also we have done. Now come to the fourth. Place in cell B3 to D3 formula to calculate for each town the average hour of sunshine for January, rounded to one decimal place. So we have to calculate average hour of sunshine for January here. Here we have to calculate the average for the January month, average sunshine. So average sunshine for January month. So up to 31st January. And we have to round it up to one decimal. So we'll write round up to one decimal. Same for Ming-Chen equal average January up to 31st January up to one decimal. Here for this also, we'll just copy the formula. Change the average. Now same for the, here we have to do for the February. So same formula we'll copy, just change the range. Here we'll change the range. Here also formula, but we have to change the range here from February okay, then done. And rounded to one. So fourth also we have done. Now place in the cell fifth, place in the cell D6 to D8 formula to calculate the total number of days that it rains in each of the three towns. So total number of days that it rain each of the three towns. So here we'll put the count if rainfall, if 0 is there, that means no rain is there. So if not 0, that means rain is here. So we'll count how many non-zero cells are there. That is the greater than 0. So if value is greater than 0, that means rain is there. So number of days 35. Here in this second count if range is number rainfall greater than 0. Yes, 23 and number of days false. That is same count if yes. Now next is D6 to D8 we have done. D6 to D8 we have done. So fifth is also done. Now next, place in cell D9 a formula to calculate the number of days with more than 7.5 mm of rain in Amarta. So in D9 we have to put the formula heavy rain. So for the heavy rain, what it is, count if the range is this, wait for this Amarta, yes, then it should be greater than 7.5. We have done 6 also. Now next, place in cell T10 a formula to calculate average wind speed in Amrita January rounded up to the nearest knot. So here we have to put the formula in G10 to calculate the average wind speed in January. So average of the wind speed in month of January only. So don't go in February, up to 31st January. Okay. This is the average wind speed in the January, but we have to round it up to the nearest knot. So we have to put round up, nearest. So we have to put 0. Okay, then that 7th also done. Number 8, place in cell T11 a formula to calculate the number of days with a wind speed less than 5 knots in the January. So here we have to place the count if the wind speed is less than 5. So in January only, count if up to 31st January should be less than 5. Okay, so there are 5 number of days where the wind speed is less than 5. So that 8th also done. Save your spreadsheet. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure the row and column headings are displayed. The page orientation landscape. The content of all cells fully visible and can easily be read. So save your file. Show formula. To show all the formulas. Then file, print, page orientation landscape. Row and column heading should be displayed. Yes. Can check all is display or not. Yes. Yes. Then just give print. That's it. So up to 9th we have done. Now come to the print your spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure only cells A1 to D11 are displayed. The row and column headings are not displayed. Page orientation is portrait. It fits into the single page. The content of cells are fully visible. So A1 to D11 only we have to show. So A1 to D11. Up to this only we have to show. So the file, print, page setup, it should be portrait. Row and column heading should not be displayed. Print only. Selection. Okay, this much. So it is display in one page. That's it. We'll give the print. Everything is visible. Give the print. So by that we finish 10th also. Now come to the 11th. In cell E3, calculate the total rainfall for Chelsea for January. So we have to calculate in E3 here. E3 equal to sum total rainfall in Chelsea, total rainfall here in January. So up to 31st January. Okay. Now next in the second column, the February total rainfall. In E4, calculate the total rainfall for the February. Sum for the February. Done. Create an appropriate chart. Compare the average hour of sunshine with the total amount of rainfall for the month January and February. May. Set the month as a category axis and set the average hour sunshine as a primary value axis. So we have to make the chart for these values. So insert chart. Yes, we have done. Now month, here we have to put the as a category axis. So we'll select the data category axis, just switch the values, and series 1 will write average that average hour of sunshine. Average hour of sunshine. Okay. Then series 2 we have to edit total rainfall. Okay. Okay. Now average hour of sunshine we have to put for the primary axis. Set as a primary axis. Okay. This total rainfall will put the secondary axis. Yes, done. And now set the rainfall axis to have maximum value of 100 mm. So rainfall axis we have to do axis maximum we have to put 100. Okay. That's it. We have to put the chart title. What will be our chart title? Comparison of the average hour of sunshine with the total amount of rainfall. So this will be our chart title. We put comparison between just reduce the font. Go to format, chart design, add the element, axis title, primary vertical. This is the average hour of sunshine tells me okay. It will reduce the font. More we can reduce. Okay, here we have to again add the axis title, vertical, total rainfall, total rainfall in millimeter. That's it. Now by this we finished our spreadsheet part. Hope you understood. If you have any query, doubt, please leave comment and please like and subscribe the channel and share video.